cut and see how it is. Wow, this is so yummy, yummy and delicious. So you can go ahead to make your bread banana cake this way. And yeah, look at the art, guys. Today we are going to be making banana bread. Yeah, so this my banana have been for a small time here now, and I will be using it today to make a bread. So this is my bowl I'm going to use. So I'll go ahead to beat the banana. You can see this banana is a bio banana. Upon it stayed long a little bit, you can see that it's still nice. So organic is the best. So I go ahead now to peel my banana, and you see me watch and see what I'm going to come out with this amazing banana. So after adding them here, if you have something like blender, you can go ahead and blend it. If you have star blender, you can go ahead to do star blend. Today I will be using my manual star blender, which you see me here doing. I have an electric one, but I decided to use the manual one so that you will not give excuse that you can't do this because you don't have the electric star blender or you don't have blender. You can as well use your spoon to make it this way. So after doing it, I will set it aside, and I will take you along to show you the rest of this. So after then, you see how it is. I will go ahead to add my flour. I will go ahead to measure some flour. I would like add not much because I want my banana to be more in this recipe more than the flour. So we add like 1 cup of flour, and we go ahead and add our cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is nice for this recipe. And I'll go ahead to add a pinch of salt, not much please, just a pinch of salt. And I will add my baking powder. I add like half spoon of baking powder. I'll also add my vanilla sugar. This will bring the scent and the flavor well. I add like half spoon, and I will not forget to add sugar. I would like adding 1 and 2 spoons of sugar, and I will not forget to add my oil. I will add like 2 spoons of oil. Yeah, I don't want to use butter, so go ahead to mix this well. Mix well. So mix this well to right together. You see I'm still using the manual blender or the manual star blender to mix. You can, if you like, you can use your oatmeal to replace the flour. If you have something like diabetes, or if you like something like, if you have any illness that you don't want to use ordinary flour or white flour, you can also replace the white flour with a brown flour. Just do it as you like. So after mixing it very properly, you set aside. Now this is going to be what we're going to bake it with. So I will go ahead to add a little oil. I am using sunflower oil. You can use olive oil as well. Use any oil of your choice. You can also use your butter if it's what as you prefer. So I will go ahead to transfer it in our baking tray, just like this, just like this. This is a bread you can use to make a breakfast for you and your family. Yes. So after adding them all, just shake it, allow it to stay smooth. See how we get it, then we go ahead to add it in our baking. So you add it in your oven to bake for 45 minutes in a low heat in the baking regulation, and then we bring it out. You can see it is done. Let's bring it out, guys. So our banana cake is done. Let's see the outcome. Wow, wow, this is so delicious. Look at how it's looking. Hope you can see it. Let's just cut and see how it is. Wow, this is so yummy, yummy and delicious. So you can go ahead to make your bread banana cake this way, and yeah, look at the outcome, guys. Look at the outcome. I'll not forget to bring one out and show you exactly how it looks by using fork to enjoy it. Look at it. So you can use it to make breakfast. Your family can go ahead to enjoy it without even using anything, maybe with tea, with whatever. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it to your loved ones, and as well try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.